Breaking news from the United States, and this one could redefine XRP's future. A brand new company named Everorth, officially backed by Ripple, SBI Holdings, Pantera Capital, Kraken, and GSR, has just been launched with a massive goal, to raise $1 billion and create the largest institutional XRP treasury in the world. This new corporation will also go public on NASDAQ through a SPAC merger with Armada Acquisition Corporation 2, targeting an IPO in the first quarter of 2026. The scale of this move is extraordinary. It's not just another fund, it's a public company designed from day one to accumulate and manage XRP as its primary reserve asset, directly supporting institutional adoption of Ripple's technology worldwide. Let's break down what's happening. Everorth Holdings, founded on October 20, 2025, aims to serve as a financial bridge between traditional markets and blockchain-based liquidity. The plan is simple but ambitious: raise $1 billion, convert that capital into XRP, and use it to build an institutional reserve that functions as a corporate treasury and liquidity hub. The structure mirrors how MicroStrategy built its Bitcoin treasury, but this time, it's built entirely around XRP. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse confirmed the partnership on social media, congratulating Everorth's leadership and highlighting their shared mission to accelerate XRP's institutional expansion. Alongside Ripple, SBI Holdings, Pantera Capital, Kraken, GSR, and RippleWorks are all early investors. Each will contribute funding and technical infrastructure to establish the reserve. The fusion with Armada Acquisition Corporation 2 is key to Everorth's strategy. SPACs, special purpose acquisition companies, are vehicles created to raise capital quickly and merge with private entities to take them public. Once the merger is completed, Everorth will become a publicly traded company holding XRP as its core balance sheet asset, regulated and transparent under U.S. market law. The SEC filing, Form 8-K, revealed that Everorth must purchase XRP directly within 10 days of the merger's closing. The document specifies the word purchase, not transfer or acquire, meaning the XRP will be bought directly from the open market. Ripple itself cannot transfer its escrowed holdings; instead, it supports the project externally while liquidity flows through regulated market channels. This ensures transparency and compliance, and at the same time, it will inject up to $1 billion in direct buying pressure into XRP's market. In practice, this move transforms XRP into a full-fledged institutional-grade asset. Everorth's reserve will not only hold XRP but also deploy it strategically through DeFi yield operations, liquidity lending, and institutional staking, all managed under regulated frameworks. The company plans to reinvest yields into further XRP accumulation, making it a continuously expanding treasury mechanism. This is a game-changer for Ripple's ecosystem. Over the past year, Ripple has quietly built an infrastructure of corporate and liquidity management solutions. Its acquisition of G-Treasury, a major U.S. corporate treasury platform, was the first step toward institutional finance integration. Now, with Everorth, Ripple effectively gains a public market counterpart that can represent XRP as a reserve asset on a regulated exchange. It's also worth noting that before going public, Everorth intends to relocate its corporate registration from the Cayman Islands to Delaware, ensuring it operates under U.S. financial jurisdiction and can be listed on NASDAQ. This is a strategic move to attract institutional investors, hedge funds, and even pension funds once regulatory clarity around digital assets solidifies. When you connect the dots, it's clear that Ripple is building a multi-layered financial architecture. Ripple payments for cross-border transactions. Ripple Dollar as a stablecoin integrated into payment rails. G-Treasury for institutional liquidity management. Everorth as the on-chain treasury to back it all with XRP. This synergy is exactly how XRP becomes the bridge for institutional finance. While ETFs replicate exposure to crypto prices, Everorth goes beyond. It will own XRP, use it in live liquidity operations, and provide audited transparency to investors. It's a model that could be replicated globally by other institutions once proven successful. As for the impact on XRP's price, don't expect an immediate moonshot. The market hasn't fully priced this in yet, as the actual XRP purchases will occur after regulatory filings are approved. But when $1 billion enters the XRP market over the coming quarters, Coupled with growing demand for liquidity in RippleNet and DeFi, it could mark the start of a long-term revaluation cycle. Many analysts now believe XRP's liquidity model supports a future value in the 3 or even 4-digit range once institutional volume scales globally. To put it simply, we are witnessing history. Ripple's ecosystem is evolving into an institutional network with its own treasury infrastructure, compliance-ready frameworks, and public market exposure. Everorth's IPO will not just create another financial entity, it will signal that XRP is no longer a speculative token, but a regulated, operational asset in the heart of global finance. So what do you think? Could this be the moment that sets XRP apart from every other crypto asset? Let me know your take in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily updates on Ripple, XRP, and the institutional revolution unfolding before our eyes.